Hey, hi, hello, what is up, guys? So, earning of a chartered accountant solely depend upon his work profile, reputation, and network. Still, if you want figures, I'll give you some. In case of job working in a small firm, starting 20,000 to 30,000, later on 50 to 50,000 is maximum they can afford. Eventually, you will get a better job, and if you are smart and dedicated to your, you will start your own practice. अगर हम बात करें इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग इन बिग फोर एंड टॉप tier firm, so initially 4 to 5 years you will be paid between 6 to 18 lakhs per annum. Later on, your growth depends upon how quickly you can show your ability to lead the audit assignment and handle big clients. So here, experience matter a lot, and money comes from the client for whom you work. So you are paid accordingly. And always remember, just because you are CA, that does not means you have become eligible for a high paid job. You command high salary because of the position you create for yourself in the whole ecosystem. If you are working in industry for established listed company like Reliance, Bharti, Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Nestle, ITC, HUL, Jindal, the list is endless. So life is set now, provided you are having a work-life balance. If working environment is such, there is a 14 hours working, no Saturday, Sunday, so you will give up a Zoom. And about package can go from 6 to 60, like anywhere in a span of 10 to 14 of career. Working in medium size companies, 4 to 24 lakh per annum span in 10 years, with a lot of job switches until you reach a reputed big company. Working abroad in Canada, US, Australia, Singapore, etc. So their starting package is 40 to 50 lakh per annum, because cost of living is like that, and it can go till 1.5 to 2 cr. And living expenses for a couple is near about 25 to 30 lakh per annum. Now, other option is starting your practice, coaching, trading, business, whatever you do. If you do with a whole dedication and passion, after 8 years you should reach at least 20 lakh per annum. On upper side, there is a no limit. But remember, if you don't break early, and then life could be hell for initial year, as people would judge you and try to demotivate you. So this is the most toughest part, but I have really seen anyone still having a bad phase after 8 years. So in the end, I would like to sum up like this. So initially focus on building skills, knowledge, experience, network, and reputation. For CA, his reputation is everything. For him, money is secondary. Money will follow automatically if you are respected in your social network. And when you start your career, have patience for at least 8 years. So either in job or in practice or any sort of business. So yeah, this is all about the salary of CA. If you like this video, so please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, till then, tata, goodbye.